You see, the defeated former MP has been presenting himself as though he still holds authority, even in his own words and on his social media platforms.
Newly sworn in Member of Parliament for South St. James, Nekeisha Burchell, is clashing with her predecessor, Homer Davis, over government projects in the constituency.
I wasn't successful, but I have to make sure that I'm here to look at the road that is being done.
Davis insists he is honoring his commitment to finish road repairs that began while he was MP.
It wasn't an election gimmicks. It was a genuine representation from your member of parliament to have this road repaired.
Burchell is warning contractors that Davis is no longer the elected representative and is urging them not to engage with him.
Let me be clear. He has no mandate, no jurisdiction, and no office to direct contractors or communities on government-based projects.
Reporting for the Jamaica News Page, I'm Jeff Anderson.